Hi, today I will show you how to make the Greeble stone material procedurally in Blender. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, divide the screen. For presentation, I take a UV sphere, select this, shade smooth, and then change it to shader editor. Close this one, yes, and take a new and remove this one and take a displacement map first, and then I take a two add node. Shift D for copy and put it here. And now I take a bright contrast node and connect this color with the height of the displacement node and connect the displacement here and, and change the value to 0 of the mid level and scale should be 0.1, and then on add change it to divide, and should be add. Let me move here, true, and change it to material preview, and also I change it to cycles for presentation, and I take a mix shader for material output, connect this here, this is here surface, and connect this divide with the factor, and this value to this value, and this value should be 2. Bright and contrast I change the value to minus 0.05, and contrast value should be 0. It's okay. And then I take a two node, one is value and second one is a Fresnel, and I connect this value to this value, Fresnel with this one. And now I take a two more nodes, which is one is glossy BSDF and second one is a diffuse BSDF. Glossy BSDF and second one is a diffuse BSDF. I put it here, and in glossy I change the backman, yes, and I put it here, this one, and I take another mix shader and connect this BSDF with this shade, and this factor should be 0.7, and connect this shader with this shade, yes. Now I take a mix node and change it to color, yes, and this result should be connect with the color, and this is a mix, and factor should be 0.9, and I take one more glossy BSDF node. I take a math node and change it to power, connect this value to roughness, and take another bright contrast node and connect this with base, and brightness should be 0.2, and I also take one gamma node, and now I connect this gamma with this color, and this gamma connect with this BSDF, and I also connect this gamma with this B section. Now I take a brick texture and one is layer node and connect the facing with this contrast and connect this brick texture with this color. Yes, now it look like a brick style. Now I change the value to mortar size should be 0 and mortar smoothness should be 0. Bias is already 0. Brick weight is 0.2 and raw height should be 0.25. Yeah, it's already 0.25. Okay. Now I take a two more brick texture. One is this one, and take a copy. Shift D for a copy, and this one, and I connect this with this color 2, and this is in color 1, and now change the value of this one. This should be 5, mortar size 0, smoothness 0, by 0, this is 0.2, and this is already okay. Same thing here, 0, 0 0.2 and this okay. Now I take a texture coordinate control plus T and for this one also control plus T, and this vector also connect with this vector, and I change the rotation of this one 180 degree. This is also 180 degree and scale should be 3. And in this one connect the UV with vector, and in this one also connect with the UV with vector. I change the value to 0.05. Fresnel should be 1.3. Okay, yeah. Now I also connect this gamma with this brightness. Yes. If I increase the brick width like 0.5 in this texture, yes. And I think if I increase the border size 0.02, and if I want to change the color to white, and here according to your need change the color. These are the random colors, so if you want to change the color of there, so it's depend on you. Yeah, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share this video. See you next time. Bye.